Okay, so I'll show you how to create a checklist in DotLoop. So it's for the listing and closing plans. So up here in the template library, you click on templates, and then right here it says tasks. So we want to make, so there's like a few different sections. There's templates for documents that you can create, and then a task list template. So like in Top Producer, the way we do the listing and closing plans, um, but you can make those date specific and that kind of thing. This is just going to be a checklist. So you're going to click on task right here, and then you're going to hit, usually they're in here. Oh, hold on, let me go into my other account. Okay, so you come into the templates, and then you come to tasks, and then you're going to create a task list here. So it's going to say like buyer contract to close task list. So you click on task list, and then you name it. So let's do like the seller contract to close checklist. It's just like creating an action plan. So you create a task list, and then you have your spreadsheet that I'm going to give you that has all the tasks, and then you just type them, like just copy and paste them in. Send buyer inspection date reminder. Email number 1, that kind of thing. You know, whatever. That's not exactly right. And then you just hit return. And as soon as you hit enter, it puts it in there. So you're just going to build this list. It gives you the option of choosing due dates, but we're not going to do that because that's up to the client because it changes for every thing. And then over here you can hit delete. So what you're going to do is just build from the spreadsheet, from our the listing plan, the buyer contract to close, and the seller contract to close. You're just going to build the task list in here. So it'll look like, you know, it'll start to look like this, only it'll be a lot longer. So it's super easy. And then the way that the client uses it is when they're in a loop. So let's say we'll open up this loop. Let's say this is a loop for like 123 Main Street. When they scroll down to the bottom right here, it says tasks. I already put it here, but all they do is hit load template, and then it pulls in the one that you just created. So, you know, buyer contract to close, they hit add, and then it populates all the lists. So it's just a checklist for them, and then they can just go through and say that everything's done. So that's it. Super easy. Okay.